the first thing we're going to do is touch the microwave so that we basically discharge any static, okay? Here's our motherboard, okay?
Don't stand on carpet.
Right. We don't want to generate, so let's not move around too much, generate any static electricity. Here's your RAM, okay? Here's your RAM, okay? So we're going to open this, okay? And I want you to put one in each one of these. There's 2 banks here, so put one in each bank and see if you can figure out where to put it in. Go ahead, show it. By the way, this video is not sponsored, right?
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Well, she's opening that. We have an AMD Ryzen 5 5000 series processor, a 5600G. Now, it does have built-in graphics, but we're not going to take advantage of that. But it was a good price. Yeah, so when you pull those out, make sure you pull those out carefully out. And they only go in a certain way. Yeah. Looks good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now see if you can figure out how those going.
Just anywhere? It looks like there's 4.
Yeah.
Like maybe.
Yeah. So look at the little key slot. Does the key slot match up with the way you're putting it in?
Like this part?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm scared I'm gonna break it.
You're not gonna break it. Okay.
Ah!
Okay. And then there's a little lever on the side that you want to lock it in.
Oh.
So make sure you push it down.
I'm scared. You do it. Show me first.
Right, so you just take that, push it in. Okay.
Oh, and it automatically locks.
Okay.
So both.
And do the next one. I think there's 2 banks, so do this one here. Banks here. Okay.
On top of here.
If it doesn't work, we'll just have to redo this part. So no, the next one over. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't want it next to each other.
Yeah, because there's 2 banks. That's my understanding. Yeah, don't be afraid. Just push it down.
I don't want to break it. That's why.
Just take it like this.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you snap together here. So
I'm guessing to undo it, you just.
Yeah. If you want to undo it, you pop them. Okay. So now we have the AMD Ryzen 5 processor. We're going to open that up.
Oh, I guess you can show this part.
Yep. AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. So the processor is where this goes here, okay? The processor goes here, right? So you can tell, right, looking at the processor, it only goes in one way, okay? Oh, that's a CPU cooler.
So we can get there's the processor.
Yep.
Pins on the bottom.
You can go ahead and pull it out of the plastic and then just hold it aside and show them. Yep. Okay. So now we need to put it in. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now zoom it back in. Okay.
Good.
Okay. Point to the arrow first.
The arrow.
And point to the one over
right
here. Yeah.
You have to zoom it in, right?
Yeah.
Arrow here.
Mm-hmm.
Arrow here.
Yep. Okay. You should just drop right in. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Just go ahead and put it in. There you go.
Sorry.
Okay, let's show the cooler. Okay. And then we should show that there's an AMD installation. Right? AMD's installation on it. Okay. What else? Okay. And we'll stop it. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yep. And then show them the screw. Yep. Okay.
Phillips head.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Okay.
So we are going to. Okay.
Do you know what we're doing?
Do we know what we're doing?
No.
No, not really. Okay, here we go.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
These.
Yep.
And we're gonna lay it like this.
Yep. Just dry fit them. Yep. Put the other one. Perfect. Okay. And we'll do something like that.
The screws go here.
Yep. Okay. So do that.
Does it fit through the whole thing?
Record that. Okay. So put those there. Yeah. Okay.
Here. Now we're gonna take our screws.
Okay, yeah, so it's important here that you get the right screw. There's a bevel, and we need to make sure that we get the beveled screw.
Okay. And
Okay.
should we show the screw?
And then show the screw. Okay. Move it up a little bit.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. Yeah.
This one.
This is the case. And the case will have areas in it for like ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX. So there's different areas here we put things in, okay? So if you look at it, there's things here called standoffs, okay? Okay, he's got them. Okay, so standoffs. This is a standoff, okay? Okay, this, okay? This little guy here is a standoff, okay? This goes in here somewhere, one of these spots here, okay? Okay, this is A here. Okay, there's A here, okay? There's A here, okay? Take this, okay, put this in here like this. We're going to dry fit it, make sure it fits. Looks like everywhere's got a screw. That's good. Okay, where's the plate? The back plate. Was this it? This goes back here. Goes back here. Let's just make sure, because I can't remember how these go in. There you go, okay. Yeah, so when dry fitting it, this is underneath here, but we'll put it on top here. And just lay this here. That'll protect everything. Here we're going to take this and this.
I need to put the holes.
There's this hole here, right here. Of course I drop it.
Want me to hold this in?
Yeah. Hold it right there. Okay.
Is that in the right spot?
And bring it down a little bit. Right there. Okay. Now give me another one.
Okay. Sorry, my hands are sweaty.
Let him notice that. Okay. those screws? Okay.
I have about 4 more.
We're going to tighten these down because we need to be able to slide it back and forth to make sure it's all, just to make sure we have room for everything.
Zip wires into the power supply. 2 more after that.
Which makes sense because there's only 2 more left. I'm going to have to speed this up. This is kind of tedious.
Yeah, the screws.
How's that looking there?
Looks good.
In the right spot, I think. Okay, so let's tighten these down real quick.
Do we have to tighten it super tight though?
No,
So we're
just
gonna get
enough
into
to.
the power supply.
I just want to, because all the wires are exposed, right? Okay, so I just want to tighten it down in case. You're probably right. I have to say in here, it's like, we were dumb. You listen to my pocket daughter.
Pocket daughter.
Okay, I'm going to dry fit this in. So it fits here. It's good. Hoses at the bottom of the case is important. Okay, that looks like it fits good. Okay. Need to pull this off. Pull this off. So we'll show that.
Show them the little things.
This is called thermal paste.
Where are we gonna put the thermal
This
paste?
goes here. I don't remember. You have to show me how much. Maybe you should do it. You watched the video. See, if it was me, I would probably put it like. If you dry fit it, it should fit.
Screw.
Take these. Just like a spare tire. Okay, so when you connect,
Hold it.
yeah. Okay, when you connect this in, this here is the fan. So you want to plug it into the fan slot usually. It'll
Point at it
say
with your
fan in
finger.
there. It'll say fan in there, okay? That's what you usually do.
Good.
Okay. So you see how there's a slot here? And there's a slot here. This goes right here. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, like
Show
that.
it.
Okay, that's it. So you take this Y cable here, okay? Has a male end on both sides and a female. So here's the fans. We want to connect those up so that we want the fans to run at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna stop it.
It says fan in here. I don't know if you can see that.
Let's see if I can zoom out.
Can you zoom in? Okay. It says fan in here, right here on this
Yeah.
one. Okay. I'm gonna hook this right here. Okay. Yeah. We gotta fit that in there somehow.
It's this.
Yeah, I'll bring that closer to here. There you go.
Then should we show what brand we're using?
Sure.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is gonna go in here. Okay. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I have to turn it here.
Yeah.
Right?
Good.
This is gonna go on here. Okay. And it will go here. Okay. Okay. You stop it.
Graphics
Oh,
card.
graphics card.
RX
SSR.
6700.
Okay. And this will go in here. Maybe.
That's the front.
Yeah, very nice.
Here's the back.
Okay. Let's put that baby in.
Okay. Yep.
Push it down. That's it.
Graphics card in.
Graphic. This right here, right? These, you want to put them all through here, right? Okay. You see that?
Yep.
Okay.
Kind
Put
of.
this down. You still see it?
Sure.
All these. And every one of these is labeled. I don't know if you can see that. USB 3, right? HD audio. USB. Power switch. Power LEDs. Reset switch. And hard disk LED.
And those are all going to plug into the motherboard.
Yep. All of them plug in the motherboard.
I think so.
Okay, we'll take this and plug it here. Is it on?
Yeah. Video.
Okay.
Alright.
It's pretty easy. Just plug and play, right? So you just got to find each one. So HD audio is there. Okay.
So everything's labeled.
Yep.
Okay.
Mounted the SSD here because we couldn't find a good spot for it, but there seems to be some mounting screws here, and it happens to work with the cable, so we'll just do that for now. Normally you'd have like a mounting kit that you put these into and you'd slide them all in here, but I don't have that, so this is what we're doing.
So,
Yeah, so this is basically fished through here. It's the SATA cable to go back into here onto the motherboard. And here's the power supply. Okay, that's all we need.
So if you
Okay.
did that the opposite way, you could
Yeah, this goes
put
here.
the fan in after.
I don't know if you can see that.
Let me come
You
up.
see that?
Yep.
Okay. See if I can get that in. Yeah.
Let
There.
me-
Okay. Okay. This is SATA and peripherals, right? So since you can have multiples, I don't think it matters what you plug it into, so we'll just plug it into this one for the SATA cable. You see that?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. It's recording.
Okay. See it in here now?
So here.
Here. That's this here. Okay. Can
Yep.
you see this?
Yep. So leave it through here
You pulled it through here. Yep.
and show the box. So motherboard and motherboard.
Take these two.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
I got this in here, but we're gonna make sure that the fan has a place to exhaust here. So we gotta figure out if we're gonna do it into the case or out of the case. So, like this.
Maybe turn the front towards the camera a little bit.
Can you see that?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna screw each one of these in. Okay. Good cable management. There's a bevel here, so these will fit right. And there we go. We're done.
Screw it on.
Screws on.
Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching our video, and we'll see you later.